Hi everyone, today I shall tell you about the secrets of obtaining the good marks in different subjects. Now first the first point is that you use the comfortable pen and the sharpened pencil. Second is that there should be at least 2 centimeter gap on the left side of your writing, because the teachers are directed by the universities to put the marks on the left side. The third one is that you must make a gap between the two writings. The gap must be used because of clear visualization of the writings. Now you will see the pencil tip should be sharpened like this, and the pen is very comfortable. You should use extra pen and also the colored pen for underlining the main topic, so that the teacher can easily visualize the point. Next one is that you should write point wise, not excessive details. If you compare all the points or write the points clearly, then very clear for the teacher to check out. But if you think that there should be 2 pages or 3 pages writing according to the marks, the greater marks, but if it is not up to the mark or it is a false one, there is nothing within, you will get 0 marks out of your 3 to 4 page writing. So they don't think so. Your handwriting must be legible and clear. Next point is that you should draw the neat and label diagram where it is necessary, and you give the citation below. And if you write the clear drawing, clear label, it will carry 30% marks, particularly in different subjects like anatomy, pathology, and in the other geography, all these things. Next, what you will do? You will do at least the practice of drawing and the practice of writing, so that the writing will be clear. Before going to the examination, you remove all the fear from your mind, as if the mind is filled up with fear that I am not so much prepared, then it will dangerous for you, because your thought will be diminished and there will be the bad examination. So remove all the fear. You think you are right and which you have prepared, that is okay for the examination. Then it is easy way to pass. So these are the points, and you should, before the examination, you don't read too much. That is just before one day before the examination. Because if there is excess of reading, there may be the thought block, which I have seen in many of you good students. So these are all the directions, and I think you all are able to do this. There is an habit to the student to fill up the copy with excessive writing, and the writings, they have got no margin, but it will make the writing clumsy. And you will see, when you are the student of the senior batch, you will do not do margin with your scale and pencil. You do the margin in such a way you fold the paper and you will do such and way the merging. Another point is that one should write a group first. You should complete the group and then switch over to the another group. Don't write haphazardly from one group 1, one from group 2, one from group 3. This will create difficulty in tabulating the sheet, and there will be some problem arises in tabulating. Next is that when you will take the extra pages, what you should do, you should write the enrollment number there, and you will see whether there is proper stitching or pasting of the page to the main page. So these are the different points, and I think it will make helpful to everybody. Thank you for listening this.